Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually add a fake not black screen, but green screen into your Filmora project. So, basically guys, what you need to do is open Filmora as always, make sure that you have connected to your account, and right after that, choose the aspect ratio that is compatible with your project, and then create a new project. Now we'll click over here and let's see if we can find any kind of image. So for example, this is an image, and let's say that we want to add like a black or a green screen again behind it. So what we could do basically is there is multiple ways, but I will go with the simple one. You go to titles, and basically from here you can go and choose the default title. You drag it here, and let's put the text below the image. So now what I'm going to do is click right to it and click on advanced edit. Now here what I'm going to do is click on the text here and go to your keyboard and press delete. And then we go to here, add a shape. Let's add a shape which is gonna be something like that. And basically you can play with the shape as much as you like. You can make it as big as you'd like, and something like that will be good. So let's remove the text and let's go down to shape fill, and here you can select like a green screen or a green color. So right after that, let me just make sure that the edges are green as well, and just like so, I click on apply, and here is the green screen on Filmora. So yeah guys, now as you can see, you can add a green screen behind yourself, behind an image, behind anything. So as much as the picture is a PNG picture or something like that, that without background, you can actually add a green screen behind it. So yeah guys, that was it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.